एडमिशन सर्विसेज को मतलब बहुत लोगों का विजन होता है ऑब्वियसली क्रैक करना। तो क्या चैलेंजेस होते हैं?
लाइफ में अगर हमें कुछ भी अचीव करना है ना, ज़ील एंड दैट पैशन इज़ द मस्ट। अगर आपको क्रैक करना है या कोई भी इवन योर एनी फील्ड, उसमें अगर सक्सेस पानी है, सो यू शुड कीप ऑन ट्राइंग।
आजकल मैं लोगों को पार्किंग पे भी झगड़ते देखा है। ऐसा क्या हम कर रहे हैं कि हम चाहते हैं कि इसका एक मेजर सॉल्यूशन ज़रूर निकल के आए?
We have geo-fenced the parking sites in
Okay.
multi-level car parking is the second important thing we are doing. We are making the parking slots available for booking
बुकिंग
through our app.
ऐसा क्यों नहीं है कि वो लोग ट्रस्ट दिखाएं एक गवर्नमेंट ऐप पे भी और उसे ट्राई करें यूज़ करने का?
When I was going through this phase when we were in the college, we could not have a conversation with a government representative
True
or a
that.
government officer because there was a gap. As an officer, we are being asked to touch the citizen. It is your right to go to an officer and meet in case your problem is not catered.
हम काफ़ी बार सुनते हैं कि काफ़ी रोड रेज देखा जाता है। सो आई थिंक आज मेरे जो गेस्ट हैं बहुत स्पेशल हैं, जो बात करेंगे रोड रेज के बारे में और मोस्टली जो भी हमारी चैलेंजेस हम फेस करते हैं रेगुलर अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में। So we have very special guest today who is an IES officer sitting as Director of IT in Ministry of Defense. So let's welcome Aman Rajput as a guest of today. Welcome to my show.
Hi.
Yeah, all well. तो मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि आपको कैसे लगा कि मुझे ये जर्नी तय करनी है, मुझे ये ऑफिसर बनना है? क्या आप पहले से फैसिनेटेड थे कि हाँ भाई ये लाइन है मुझे चूज करनी ही करनी है?
See, seriously, I have being the part of the administration and being part of the government service. You, as a child, and that is there in India, you always dream out, right? Cracking the UPSC. You dream of being roaming around with that red beacon, and that is something the society or other our parents have a vision for us. So luckily, my parent was also in the administrative services. So as a result, it was always my passion and my self motivation to do something and to be part of the services. So yes, I had this vision in me that this is something which I have to work on. So during my course of engineering, basically I'm an electronics and telecommunication engineer. So my engineering course, I was planning and preparing for cracking this examination. So I was fortunate enough and could crack it. So it was a good tenure. I'm enjoying being part of the services. MCD mein I was looking into the administration of the municipal corporation in capacity of the assistant commissioner there as officer on special duty in municipal corporation and presently serving the Ministry of Defense. So it is a very different experience. One administration, another is like a defense services. Yeah. So it is a combination. So I am very lucky to be part of both
At the same time.
both of them at the same time.
मुझे अगर लगता है एडमिशन सर्विसेज को मतलब बहुत लोगों का विजन होता है ऑब्वियसली क्रैक करना। तो क्या चैलेंजेस होते हैं एक एक जब बच्चा जब प्रिपेयर करता है किसी चीज़ के लिए, तो क्या चैलेंजेस होते हैं कि बिकॉज़ ऑब्वियसली काफ़ी रिजेक्शन भी झेलना पड़ता है, कि जो काफ़ी लोग अपीयर होते हैं एग्ज़ाम के लिए। तो कैसे रहता है उनका मोटिवेशन हाई रहता है कि भाई मुझे तो ये करना ही करना है?
See, लाइफ में अगर हमें कुछ भी अचीव करना है ना, दैट ज़ील एंड दैट पैशन इज़ द मस्ट। फेलियर इज़ ऑलवेज़ पार्ट ऑफ इट। और जो घोड़े पे बैठता है, वही गिरता है।
करता
मतलब दैट इज़ समथिंग अगर आपको क्रैक करना है या कोई भी इवन योर एनी फील्ड, उसमें अगर सक्सेस पानी है, सो यू शुड कीप ऑन ट्राइंग। या कोशिश करने वालों
कोशिश
की
कर
कभी हार
हार
नहीं
नहीं
होती।
होता है।
So that is there. So that was my vision that I knew that it is something which is very difficult. It is something which is which will take some time for me, but it is not something which I will not be able to do because my ancestors, the predecessors could do it. So why not us? And every year, if you see, there are handful of people who crack this examinations. They are again from the same world. They are again from the same country, coming from the same background.
Correct.
That vision and that passion is something, and if you are into it, you will definitely crack it.
अगर अगर मैं कहूँ कि अगर आप आईएएस ऑफिसर नहीं होते, ये नहीं क्रैक होता, तो क्या होते?
There is no second. मतलब I have to do it.
हाँ, हाँ।
Uh, if not in my first attempt, must be the second. Luckily, क्योंकि मैं वो 4 years of my engineering, or rather during my school times as well, because I had that vision. This is something I need to crack. I was preparing for it, and I could crack in my first attempt. So I joined the services when I was only 21.
माय गॉड।
तो अगर नहीं होता 21 में तो 22 में हो जाता।
नहीं था, मतलब ये आप बोलोगे कि देयर इज नो टू रोड, देयर इज ऑलवेज वन रोड।
या यू नीड टू हैव दैट पीरियड इर्रिस्पेक्टिव आप किस में भी हो, मे बी बीइंग अ actor or maybe being a politician. You need to have that vision. You need to have just take that road. You will definitely reach the destination. हम रोड ही नहीं लेते, and that is the problem I think we face.
सो एज आई नो, आप जॉइंट कमिश्नर भी रहे हैं एमसीडी में, तो ऐसा क्या चैलेंजेस हम रेगुलर डेज में जो रोड पे देखते हैं कि हाँ भाई ये चैलेंजेस है और मुझे लगता है कि ये सोल्यूशन जरूर निकल के आना चाहिए?
See, Municipal Corporation of Delhi is one of the biggest municipality across the globe.
ओह,
And if you see the all the statistics, it is one of the most busiest and one of the most revenue generating and one of the most complex municipality. तो उसमें काम करना was a lot of challenge because every day is a new day.
न्यू डे।
You don't know when you go to your office what you will face. And sometimes we are on the roads and we find something कि भाई ये गड़बड़ है. So you have to fix it there. And so it is a new day every day. So a lot of challenges which I felt was there. Now, if I talk about East Delhi, we had a very restricted revenue collection because see, corporation of Delhi, we need to generate revenue, and this generated revenue and the funds coming from the center is utilized for the services of the people.
ओके।
Now, what happens is we were facing some atrocities and some challenges in terms of self-generation and revenues. So, my first target, being part of the municipal corporation, was to increase the revenue. So, I was part of the advertisement department. So, when we started, we just had around 5-6 handful, in only single digit, 9-10 uniports. And over the span of time, in 2 years, we could increase it to 100. Another 1 year, 2 years. Now, as on date, we have around 560 uniports.
माय गॉड।
So the revenue jumped around 200-300% for us, which was a very big thing for us. So this was the first thing we tackled. Similarly is the parking. We had a handful number of parking in Delhi, specifically in East Delhi, and a lot of illegal parking was going on. So our first challenge was to legalize the illegal parking and generate the revenue for the municipal corporation. So this is something which I really personally have worked on. There was a very interesting project, Walking Street, the Delhi's first walking
वर्किंग स्ट्रीट है।
that is what I was the nodal officer for the same. It was there in the Krishna Nagar market. So we made it a pedestrian roads and it is being appreciated by the LG and a lot of people, a lot of appreciation was received. So these are few things which we have done, I think, which has made a mark in Delhi and I'm proud of it.
सो मैंने आजकल काफ़ी टाइम देखा है, काफ़ी लोग आजकल, पहले मुझे लगता था कि लोग रोडों पे ही झगड़ते हैं, आजकल मैं लोगों को पार्किंग पे भी झगड़ते देखा है। सो ये ऐसा ऐसा क्या हम कर रहे हैं कि हम चाहते हैं कि इसका एक मेजर सोल्यूशन ज़रूर निकल के आए?
देखिए, I personally believe that Delhi में patience level has gone down.
True.
And irrespective of your locality, irrespective of the place you live, the major fight we observe is on parking. Even अगर आप society में भी रह रहे हो, parking is again a very, very hectic thing to manage as a managing committee of your own society. So, being part of the municipal corporation and being part of the parking for the East Delhi, we have done few new things which I think will be appreciated and which is being appreciated across various corners. Like we have geo-fenced the parking sites in
Okay.
So what is geo-fencing is, Hamara, for example, if I've given a parking contractor 100 square feet, lekin he's not using that. He's using 200 square feet and giving us a revenue of 100 square feet, which is perfect. We are losing that additional revenue which he's utilizing. So हमने जियो फेंसिंग कर दी. What is, तो हम जियो फेंसिंग में हमने उसके लॉटिट्यूड और लैंगिट्यूड को कैप्चर कर लिया and which is available on my app. So we made a app because I was the in charge for the IT department as well, EDMC 311 app. So it is a citizen-centric app. Anyone can go to that app and see what are the authorized legal parking.
आई थिंक मोस्टली लोगों को पता भी नहीं होगा।
पता भी नहीं होगा. This is something which we are working on कि हम इसको aware करें लोगों को and to utilize this service. So multi-level car parking is the second important thing we are doing because parking is a major trouble for us and this is something which we have to work on. So we had around 8 projects which are in the pipeline, and we are hopeful that 8 parkings will be coming, multi-level parkings. We have a DMC Act wherein we are making a specific policy for the parking, which will be soon shelved to the cabinet for its approval. And it is approved, it will be available for citizens for utilization. So these are major things we are doing to utilize and to supplement and to help to resolve the parking issues in Delhi.
ओके, जैसे अगर मैं फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट्स की बात करूँ, तो आपको ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट है जो आप उसको थोड़ा डिटेल में बता सकते हैं, हाँ, कि ऐसा लुकआउट होगा, ऐसा फ्यूचर की तरफ दिखाई देगा और ऐसे लोगों को ईज़ हो जाएगा?
देखिए, बुक माई शो आपने यूज़ किया है।
बिल्कुल,
तो दिस
हमारी बात हुई थी इस बारे में। हाँ।
हाँ, सो बुक माई शो, जैसे आप बुक माई शो में यू कैन book your tickets, and with your family you can go to the place and enjoy the thing. This is something we are working on. We are making the parking slots available for booking through our app. So उसमें क्या होगा, if case you are visiting CP, you can always book it, and that space is available for you, and you are paying. So
We are being smarter.
need to be. This is the smart city, and smart Delhi is something we are looking for, because we can always keep on saying we are developing and doing things like that. But Delhi being the capital, we need to make it the smartest. So that is what we are working on. And if this will be shelved, I think in another 6 months or so. So it will give a lot of solutions to all the parking difficulties we face here.
आई थिंक यू शुड मोर टेल अस अबाउट द ऐप बिकॉज़ मुझे लगता है काफ़ी लोगों को तो पता ही नहीं होगा। आज भी लोग जाते हैं ग पार्किंग में हॉर्न बजाते रहते हैं, कहीं न कहीं ढूँढते रहते हैं। तो व्हाट इज़ देयर इन द ऐप जो लोगों को अभी तक मिसिंग है? उनको पता होना चाहिए कि ये आप काम कर सकते हो और आप इतने आज तो लोग स्मार्ट हो गए हैं अपने एंड्रॉइड या फ़ोन किसी फ़ोन पे भी आप ऐप खोलते हैं। तो व्हाई नॉट दे नो गेट टू नो अबाउट योर ऐप? तो यू कैन टेल अस कि क्या-क्या एडवांटेजेस मिल सकते हैं उन्हें इस ऐप के थ्रू?
देखिए, EDMC ने एक लॉन्च करी है 311 ऐप, 311. सो यू कैन गो टू योर एप्पल स्टोर और प्ले स्टोर,
या
and you can download this 311 app. So when you download, there are a lot of features which are available. Like, I need to know as a citizen of this state that which is the nearest municipal dispensary. I need to know which is the nearest parking site. I need to know where to go and pay my online, pay my property tax. So all these features are available on the app. So we have specific property tax portal, we have specific IT portal, we have specific parking portal, we have specific the advertisement portal. So these services have been made digitalized and is available for your for the utilization of the people. And in case you have certain grievance, you can just take the picture of anything which you feel is something the municipal corporation, like for example, there is a dumping of a garbage across the road. If you feel that there is something उस पे action नहीं हो रहा है, you just make a click a photograph of it, geo tagging हो जाती है उसकी, and it comes to the concerned officer. And we have made such a reporting that within 24 hours, you have to resolve it. Because if you don't, it will go to the next higher officer. If he doesn't do in 24 hours, it will again go to the next higher officer. And another 3 days, it will go to the commissioner. That why this thing was not done. So this is something people should utilize. Because within 3 days, agar nahi hota, that person we can take some action against the individual who is responsible. So people must be aware, people must utilize this service, which is available, and Delhi is one of the first city to do that. So we as a citizen of the city, I think you should utilize this, and through your medium, I want to encourage everyone that please download this app and use these services, and it will be a great help for India and for realizing a self-reliant Swachh Bharat. That is something we personally are working in Municipal Corporation of Delhi.
ओके, जैसे मैं और ऑफ़िस में देखता हूँ कि अगर हम बात करें कि मल्टीपल हायरार्की क्रिएट की है, आज आप फ़ोटो खींचो, कल एक्शन होगा, कल फिर उसके ऊपर अगर आपने एक्शन लिया। ऐसे तो बहुत सारे रूल बहुत सारी ऑफ़िस में निकलते हैं। बट क्या ये इसी तरीके से फ़ॉलो हो रहा है?
आप डाउनलोड करिए और यूटिलाइज करिए एंड कम बैक टू मी. आई एम श्योर इट इज बीइंग डन. एंड बिकॉज मैंने खुद पर्सनली व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग इट, मैंने पर्सनली एक गार्बेज की फोटो ली, एंड देन मेरा ही नंबर उसमें आ रहा था. दैट कंसर्न सबऑर्डिनेट गेव मी अ कॉल, सर आपका ये गार्बेज की कंप्लेन है, ये कहाँ पर है?
ओके,
This means it is working. As of now, it is working, and I think with time, we are making people aware. Even our subordinate is aware. See, end of the day, this is our duty.
ड्यूटी।
And if we don't do it, we'll be facing some loss of increment or maybe suspension. So they are bound to do it, and we are encouraging them to do it. So I think it will be implemented in letter and spirit, and it is being done.
ओके, तो मेरे को एक और चीज़ आपसे जाननी है कि जैसे दिल्ली के लोग हैं, मैं चाहता हूँ वो लोग कहते हैं कि लेट्स गो स्मार्टर बाय यूजिंग प्राइवेट थिंग्स, राइट? अ, ऐसा ऐसा क्यों नहीं है कि वो लोग ट्रस्ट दिखाएँ एक गवर्नमेंट ऐप पे भी और उसे ट्राई करें यूज़ करने का? आज की डेट में लोग एंड्रॉयड या प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड करते हैं, इंस्टाग्राम यूज़ करते हैं, फेसबुक यूज़ मीडियम बनाते हैं अपनी इन्फॉर्मेशन पहुँचाने का। ऐसा क्यों है जो एक गैप क्रिएट हो रहा है गवर्नमेंट के बीच और जो लोगों के बीच है, लोग गवर्नमेंट पे इतना सपोर्ट नहीं डालते कि भई हाँ, ये एक ऐप है हमें यूज़ करनी चाहिए। ऐसा क्यों? और ऐसा क्या आप बता सकते हो कि उनको लगे यार दिस इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट एंड यू शुड ट्रस्ट द गवर्नमेंट आल्सो?
See, there has been certain gap in past where the initiatives were not being done
True that.
touch the citizen.
Yeah, being the citizen, yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
And me, and also as
Also
citizen,
citizen, yeah.
I myself has faced when I was going through this phase when we were in the college, we could not have a conversation with a government representative
True
or
that.
government officer because there was a gap. But in with time, with digitalization, with a lot of efforts being done like Swachh Bharat and a lot of efforts like Atmanirbhar Bharat, all such initiatives, we are, as an officer, we are being asked to touch the citizen because that is the part of the government policies now. And we have made it more like a corporate. Even if you see government offices, there has been a difference from what you see last 10 years or 5 years
True.
and what you see today, because that is part of your duty. And in case with a lot of rules like RTI also coming up,
Right.
a lot of people being aware of RTI, so it is your right to go to an officer and meet in case your problem is not catered. So this is something the government is working, and if you give and this that is why this app has been made, and this is why with lot of digital initiatives are being made, because the gap has to be filled, and we are just making the first step to remove this gap. So I hope it has been appreciated by everyone, and I hope this gap will further reduce, and we can have a better city coming.
राइट। मतलब मेरा ये सवाल पूछने का थोड़ा रीज़न ये था कि अ, हम बात तो कर रहे हैं मतलब ठीक है, हम स्वच्छ भारत की बात भी कर रहे हैं, सबकी बात कर रहे हैं। ये बोलने में तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है। क्या ऐसा फ़ॉलो भी होता है? एज़ अ सिटिज़न लेवल पे भी, एज़ अ गवर्नमेंट लेवल पे भी मेरे को ये जानना है कि गैप जो है, ये गैप फ़िल कैसे नहीं हो रहा है?
ये गैप ऐसे फिल नहीं हो रहा है बिकॉज वी आर नॉट ट्रस्टिंग द पीपल.
ट्रू,
आई एज अ ऑफिसर आई एम नॉट ट्रस्टिंग माई ओन सिटीजन कि ये लोग इसको अप्रिशिएट करें,
करेंगे।
एंड एज अ सिटीजन वी आर नॉट अप्रिशिएटिंग द गवर्नमेंट कि ये ऐसा करना चाहता है. तो बिकॉज दैट ट्रस्ट फैक्टर इज मिसिंग, एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी आर वर्किंग ऑन. अब आप देखेंगे पूरी म्युनिसिपल आप दिल्ली में हमेशा आपको डस्टबिन मिलेंगे, एंड दैट टू आयरन वाला बड़ा वाला. दिस वॉज नेवर देयर. You need to go to the Dhalav and dispose your this. Now, government has made this कि भाई it should be available in my vicinity. So this gap को fill करना is not something because ये over the time आया है. It takes some time. But I'm sure with trust levels developing, because me as an officer on special duty also, whenever we had someone visiting us, I made sure that I meet him. बिकॉज़ क्या होता है आधी प्रॉब्लम ना कोई बंदा उसका सुनता है, उससे सॉल्व हो जाती है. सी वी कांट हेल्प एनीथिंग. कभी-कभार कुछ सिचुएशन ऐसी है मेरे हाथ भी बंधे हुए हैं. लेकिन अगर मैं उसको सुनूँगा, उसको समझाऊँगा कि ये मेरी दिक्कत है, तो वो भी समझता है.
हुँ।
सो दैट ह्यूमन इंटरैक्शन व्हिच वाज़ मिसिंग ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इज़ समथिंग वी आर ट्राइंग टू फिल, एंड आई एम थिंक वी आर लिटिल सक्सेसफुल, एंड द थिंग्स आर इंप्रूविंग.
येस, इम्प्रूविंग। अब हम बात करें यूनिपोल्स की, है ना? ऐसा क्या होता है कि पहले यूनिपोल्स में ये डिफरेंस था और अब आपने ये प्रोग्रेस इसमें की है, इस लाइन में की है?
देखिए यूनिपोल्स is one of the very important medium of advertisement across
करेक्ट।
any city. And East Delhi may specifically, the problem we were facing was because a lot of areas are in vicinity with Uttar Pradesh and some with Haryana, things like that. So जो वो transition borders हैं उसमें these unipoles, illegal unipoles का concept was very high. So that is the first challenge we were facing कि how to ensure that illegal unipoles are not there.
Hmm.
तो उसके लिए we made this drive and we did the geo tagging of the unipoles, which is
Oh.
again available on the EDMC 311 app. all the unipoles are geotagged. So I as a citizen, if I want to advertise something, or I as a company want to advertise something, all the details of the advertiser, all the details of that unipole, and the period of that unipole is available. So you can go and use the service. So this geotagging means now अब मेरे जितने भी unipole legal है, it is available on my app. इसके अलावा सब illegal. So we can take action, and rather I can take an action against the inspector also, who is responsible for any illegal unipoles. Because पहले क्या है, for example मेरा 200 square feet मतलब जो भी एक area है, उस area में मुझे यही नहीं पता कि मेरे कितने unipoles हैं. अब now with the geotagging I know I have exact 10 number of unipoles. मेरा 11वां कैसे खड़ा हो गया? So even citizens can see and report us, and we as officers can always take an actions. So this is something we have achieved over the period of time, and इसमें हमें revenue collection भी हमारा बहुत अच्छा हुआ है. It has increased by around we were around 2 to 3 crores. Now as on date we stand around 80 CR.
Oh my, so huge
So
number.
it is a huge amount, and with further scopes and further roads and further developments, we are expecting to further increase this number. So this is something we have done, and I hope we are able to connect more revenue.
Right.
City.
अब इंडिया में जैसे ऐसा है काफ़ी मतलब फैमिली जिनके पास मल्टीपल कार्स है ना? तो ऐसा हम क्या ऐसा उन्हें कहें कि भैया आप चीज़ों को तो समझें बिकॉज़ पार्किंग जैसे एक सोसाइटी में देखा है लोग 10-10 गाड़ियाँ लेके रखे हैं। फिर वो चाहे इल्लीगली पार्क कर रहे हैं या फिर नहीं कर रहे हैं जो भी है। बट उस सॉल्यूशन को कैसे एक लेवल पे लेके आएँ कि हाँ भाई मनी कैश फ्लो है बट ठीक है यू हैव टू लुक थ्रू आवर एंगल आल्सो दैट वी वांट टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम नॉट टू क्रिएट वन।
See, there will be certain tax imposition which is government is working on. Ki in case in your family, if you are 4 people, and if you have more than this X number, which is yet to be decided, the planning commission is working on it. So Niti Aayog is working on it. So in case you have more than that, we have a heavy taxation. So that is one way. Because see, as the part of your fundamental rights, and also there are certain restrictions, we cannot ask individuals to have not more than this number of people. But yes, we can impose more number of tax, a very harsh tax, so that the people are encouraged to buy such thing. The second thing what we are doing is the EV, because electric vehicle is something which is the future of
India.
for India.
For everyone.
Globally it is something we are working on. तो हमारी सारी parking sites में and some of even our community centers, we have made EV points so that encouraging people for electric vehicles. तो इसमें हमारे दो advantage हैं. First, कि एक तो मेरा pollution कम हो रहा है and we are trying to control the pollution. And secondly, the size of the car in comparison is usually the smaller. If you see some new cars are coming up, the size
The car
is extremely very small in comparison to a petrol or diesel vehicle.
right.
So these are three things we are working. First is the taxation, the EV, and having EV across all the channels. That is something we are pressing upon.
ओके जैसे लोग अगर मैं अपनी बात करूँ तो मैं कॉर्पोरेट स्टाइल को ज़्यादा सपोर्ट करता हूँ है ना बिकॉज वो फास्ट है अपने जजमेंट में फास्ट है अपने काम को लेके और एक उनका प्रोफेशनलिज्म दिखता है क्या ये हमारे गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में भी इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है
Yes, I think things have changed, and there is lot of improvement in our file movements. हमने पहले आपने बहुत सुना होगा कि फाइल चल रही है जी, is on the way,
राइट
डाक वाला भी अगले दिन पहुंचेगी फाइल उसके पास, तो मैं जी डाक खोलूंगा फिर मैं एंट्री करूंगा.
एंट्री करूँगा
Things have changed.
हाँ.
We have adopted e-office. We have adopted uh, e-modules. Specific ministries, as per their requirement, have e-modules wherein you have your own file system, you have your own tracking system. This has improved, and this is something we have adopted from the corporate. And even the concept and the liftment of the individuals has also changed. Like the officers are more inclined towards resolving the things. That is the improvement, because we
Right.
had the new India coming up,
राइट
the new officers coming up. So these new officers are focusing on resolving the issue rather than dragging the issue.
Yeah.
This concept has changed, and I think with over again 5 years, you will see some difference. wherein we'll perform better than Congress.
Like we have a long road to go. Yeah.
Yes,
obviously,
a
yeah,
long road to go,
but-
but it is something
Yeah.
we are on track,
Right.
and we'll achieve it.
Obviously, it's a parallel road because citizens also have to show some trust toward the government. The government will show some toward the citizens. Yeah, that's correct. So it was a wonderful session. Thank you for being on my show. Thank you so much.
For inviting, and it was pleasure to be here.
Thank you, sir.
And had a good conversation.
Same here.
And I hope we'll achieve the India of,
Yeah,
that is something we are working on.
yeah,
And definitely it will be a good thing.
yeah. Hope citizens get to learn many things from it.
Definitely,
Yeah,
definitely.
thank you.
Thank you.